up? Sac passe y que paso, everybody? Guess where I'm at? Guess where I'm, well, I mean, it's a hotel, so you can't really tell right now, but just believe me when I say, I'm in Alaska! Walked into Bentley Mall, which is the most northernest USA and North America mall, if I'm not mistaken, but the northernest most mall in the USA. We in here. And that's it. Literally got there at like 8:30, finished browsing the entire mall at 8:35. So basically, you could say that is the northernmost mall and also probably the smallest. Don't quote me on that. Don't go fact check them, but I'm just saying it was super small. So I'm back at the hotel and I'm going to try to grab something to eat right before going to watch The Avengers. Yeah. Mommy got it ziwi. That ziwi sauce.
Speaking
Hey, where's your food?
I like it.
You don't even know. You don't even know.
That's all I was like,
Look at this. 1 pound of food. Oh man. Okay, I can imagine. Outside of looking at a clock, it's hard to differentiate.
1 hour later.
The difference between morning, night, all that, because in Alaska, it's always bright. Yo, I just wanted to say it's 11 p.m. in Alaska. Look how bright it is. So last night, morning night, whenever I went to sleep, it wasn't dark. It was like the equivalent of maybe 4 or 5 p.m. in Atlanta. So, yeah. Anytime I see coffee somewhere, I think of Peter McKinnon. I wonder if he would approve. I think he would. So why am I up so early, late? Early. It's like 6 o'clock in the morning. One thing. Breakfast. Sausage don't be great at every hotel, but this one right here is bussin'. I add a little hot sauce, pepper to the eggs and spinach. It's working. Shout out to Royal K Berries. They got me addicted to strawberries. Hers are usually covered in chocolate and delicious colors and stuff like that, but ignore the people running around in the back. This is between me and you guys. I've always loved crispy apples. I don't like that sauce. Oh, what's up, man? Well, when is your actual birthday? The day? Oh, okay, that's what's up. How you feeling? Yo, this is the birthday boy. This is the reason we came out here to Alaska. How you feeling? Good. All right. All right. You excited about Saturday?
Yes.
Cool. Cool. How you feel, Mama?
I almost cried. I haven't dropped him off at school in so long.
Oh,
It's been years.
years. So, why am I in Alaska? Well, Desiree of AME Events got booked to host and throw a party for a 16-year-old here in Fairbanks. She referred me as the media guy for film and photo, and here I am. Sorry I don't have a more extreme story for you, but yeah, I'm in Alaska, so.
In the middle. Oh, thank God my soul. Okay.
Starting route to North Pole. Take the first exit onto North Santa Claus Lane.
I won't lie to you guys, you know, this is a little disappointing on what I was expecting versus what we see here, but this is probably the most North Polish / Alaska's pre-expectation find that we found. So I'm flying the drone, and then it starts getting lost in the sky because, you know, I didn't think about it, but, you know, we use a compass in the drone, and compasses use the North Pole to find the magnetic. Basically, there's no compass or magnetic field interference that did not interrupt my flight. So it was a real dangerous flight. And then when it landed in the unstable ice snow. So I had to go ahead and I got to get my drone. So found Santa Claus house. Yo, fat dude lives right here. We can't go in there because, you know, they said they're about to unwrap something special. We're like, whoa, let's go see the reindeer, and now we're here and it's like, oh, those are real reindeer. It stinks, that's what I'm trying to tell you guys, it stinks.
Oh my God.
Worth it for the visuals. Photo shoot time.